Hey, what's up, guys? Well, trying to decide on a pole?
Yeah, I've been looking at them, but damn, some of them are expensive. The good ones.
What do you get fish for?
Just regular fishing with my kids. So,
Cool.
in the lake, just regular fish.
Like sunfish, stuff like that?
Yeah.
Well, any, like, bass fishing?
Yeah, sometimes.
Okay.
Depends where I'm at, though. Yeah.
I do YouTube videos, so like you see the camera and stuff like that. So you looking to grab today, or just browsing?
Just browsing. Because I was at Cabela's. They were like hundreds and something.
Oh yeah. Well, what I would use is, if you're gonna do like for like panfish, sunfish, and crappies and stuff like that. Where is it? That one's always taller. Get low. Yeah, something like this.
Nice.
You don't mind being in a video, do you?
No, I don't.
Okay. That's why I always ask people. Some people get pissed off about it.
No.
So yeah, that one there I could use. Even though it's like $52, it's ugly stick is pretty good.
One break. The ones that I've been buying that break, they don't even last long. That thing breaks.
Yeah, I'd always change out the line on it, because when they put line on there, they use like the cheapest line, and you use like 8-10 pound test line.
What kind of line you get?
I usually get like Seagar,
Okay.
8-pound test, 6-pound test. So fishing with the sunfish, crappies, I'd go with the 6-pound test. Even if it's smaller like this, it's got a little bit of flexibility, so they're gonna feel a little better. When you're reeling them in, feel a little bigger. You like open face or closed face? Because I see the way you're kind of reeling it like that, so you're probably used to a closed face.
Yeah.
And my cousin, she fishes the same way, just backwards.
Yep. What are those?
These ones are like the closed face ones. No.
Yeah, that one.
Zepco, those have been around, those are pretty good. This we use for pretty much bass and sunfish, crappies, or whatever. It's what?
30 bucks.
$30. Or is it a 2-piece? No. Yeah, it's a 2-piece, so you can break it down too. Put it in your trunk.
Come back and
I'll put it back up there for you. Yeah, that's what I usually do too, is just go browse. And you kind of get the feel of what you want.
yeah.
Like the ice fishing poles, there's only 2 left. They don't quit.
Oh yeah, because everybody's is out there.
I haven't got that chance to get out yet.
All right, man.
All right, you have a good night.
Yeah.
Okay, so back to base what I was talking about. Summer, like if you're doing spring into summer and you want to fish, if he's just searching too for what to get, but I would too. So for me, for summer, early spring, I would go with some top water, like I'd go with top water. So where's top water? Even the cheaper one. Whoops. That one underneath. With the spring, I'd go with top water. Those ones, I'd go with some chatterbaits. And then also, but coming back out into, kind of warming up a little bit. Even the micros, they work great too. So, summertime, spring into summertime, when it starts to turn over, get warmer. These, even like smaller ones, like those, with crankbaits, they work great. So, micro crankbaits, whipless crankbaits, also rattle traps. What else do they got? I don't know. These work good too. Anything to kind of create that bait fish look. Even also with jerkbaits. I've had good luck on jerkbaits too. So going down. Okay, I'll just work from one side to the other. So here, I'll start on this side. So with these here, I'll go with I go with the Gary. Those are good. So I go with the Gary and Moto. Between those and also Yum, that's good. So that's between, you got your $2 to $7, $3 to $7 range there. And then go over to like these ones here. I would choose, I've never seen these before, but I'll choose those. And then for top water, I would go with the frog. There, they don't have a mouse. No mouse. Oh, scum frogs. These work too. Scum frogs, and then what's this one? Popping perch. I'd go with it. So there's those from, I'm just gonna go from the left to the right. Ooh, what's this one? Rage blade. Huh. That'll be something to try. Rage blade. Never heard of it. Just came out. So that. Oh, buzz baits. Those are good too. Especially buzz baits with those. Those work great. So I'd take one of these. And then, so 1, 2. So I got the plastic, top water, to a chatterbait type, to a buzz bait. Now what would I pick for? Yeah, so now what would I pick for? Oh, they got more down here. Ooh, I know you guys remember these old style hula poppers. These still work great too. Hula poppers, those still work great. And then, but what I'll go for a crankbait and a whipless rattle trap, I would have to do, I have to do one micro, a micro, And then a red one because it's going to start warming back up. So I'd do it the color red. But then I'd also, you know, where I'm fishing, I max the hatch. So I got that. And then for jerkbait, I would go something like this. I'd probably go with that color there. Or no, something like this probably. Yeah, I'd probably go with this one here. It's got the bright side on it, neon. So we got that. And then spoon, no. But and Neps is always good. If you can get a Neps, get a Neps. They work great for creeks, anything. Here you go. Right there. $8. Cover the water. There you guys go. So instead of buying these for those different prices, just get it. And then also when that comes off, just take some thread. And then all you have to do is just take thread and just put it on there, and it works too. So then let's stretch down to here. Pretty much nothing really. If I'd use for fishing, for bass. Use these here, mimic the middle. Then spinner baits. I'd go with the white, maybe black, and that's pretty much it for just that. So that would be, you know, my in the spring into the summer, kind of when the water is starting to get back up to the 40s, 50s. So that's what I'd use since I'm in Minnesota. So